Ups and downs are part and parcel of student life, teacher life, family life, professional life, and businessman's life. Ups and downs teaches us how to stay focused, cool, and calm in various phases of life. We experience many success, height, achievement, pain, struggle, and trials. And sometimes there is a feeling that these success or pains are bigger and more powerful than us. But in truth, there is nothing in the world which is more powerful and bigger than yourself. Friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav. Today I will discuss with how to handle ups and downs in your life. Watch my video till the end to get maximum benefit. Like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe my channel to get latest educational update. Treat yourself respectfully. Always treat yourself with love, compassion, and gentleness, and go through your ups and downs without guilt, shame, regret, and bad feeling. Always remember you are human being and human may fall down and make mistake. There is always chance to get hurt and hurt others in course of life. You may feel tempted to judge and condemn yourself for not behaving perfectly or as per your standard. But whatever the condition may be, always treat yourself respectfully. No blame game. When you blame others, you become helpless and powerless. You transfer your power to others and turning the world your master and you become slave. Give up the habit of blaming others. Reclaim your dignity and take your power back and become master of your own life. Enjoy your past. Your present life is the result of ups and downs of past thought, feeling, and behavior. If you are suffering in present, it may be the result of your past. If you want to heal your present and want to create a better future, forgive yourself and forgive your past. Have faith. When you face a challenge, close your eyes, take deep breath and look deep within yourself, within your heart. You will find beautiful and wonderful solution. Surrender yourself completely to Almighty God and take step as per the voice of inner conscience. Time will pass. No matter how painful and unbearable condition you may be facing, give time. Condition will change. Have the patience to wait till your mud settles and water is clear. Stay cool and calm till the right action arises itself. Nothing in this life happens to you, it happens for you. Everything happens not to hurt you, but to clean you, to heal you, to awaken your beauty, your wisdom, your courage, and your divine power. Take guidance from senior. There may be someone in your life who may have faced similar challenges and might have managed and move ahead of his insecurities, fear, ups and downs, and become stronger, braver, and wiser. Seek the guidance of such people through their books, articles, scientific inventions, movies, paintings, music, sports, and others. Let their story inspire you to win the battle of ups and downs in your life.